Okay, fantastics. I decided I have no room in my van. I bought groceries last night and have no place to put them. So I decided it's time to buy a rooftop carrier, thanks to my grandson that looked him up online. So I went to Wally World and bought a cargo roof carrier. And I know it's sunny and windy out here, so I apologize. Okay, so you can laugh, but you can't criticize. So I'm going to do this in parts and just walk you through what I did because it's up there high and I'm having a heck of a time. So I turn the camera around, show you how I set it up. Okay, so the cargo goes this way, and since I only have side rails and not front and back rails, the zipper will be here and I can attach it to that. So it's not attached. Next step is to fill it, and that's gonna take a while. I don't know where everything is. It helps if you unlock all the doors. Okay, let's see what clothes are in here. There are some summer clothes. A lot of my dresses. Laundry. Okay, this is a lot of winter. So that's going up there. Okay, I didn't film me putting it up because it took me about 2 hours, only because I'm short and I have to stand up there and hold on to the rail. But I got it secured. I'm going to put one more strap at the back so it's on both sides. This side's pretty secure, but that side is up quite a bit. And then I got to tie these straps, so I'm going to have to Google and see what the best tie is for those. But it's bigger than I needed, but who knows? I might do some more arranging once I'm on the road and put more up there. Right now it is my winter clothes, some fall clothes and jackets, towels, soap, personal care items, shoes, and my dirty laundry. So that'll be nice not to have in the van. So as I get it all secured, I will show you. Well, I used my jump starter power pack for the first time. My battery was depleted, and it took it right up. Very impressed, very happy that I had this. It was at 6.9 my battery voltage when I started this, and within 15 minutes it had 12.6. So now I gotta look to see if I need a new battery. I actually remember putting water in the battery cells as a young adult. But it is now running. Yay. So my cargo carrier is held up very well. Been in it a couple times. No moisture, no rain. They do suggest you pack stuff in plastic storage bags, so I may do that. One investment I did was I went and got me at Wally World a $10 folding stool, which is really nice. That way I'm standing on that instead of the edge of that for safety purposes. So I do highly recommend the cargo carrier for Walmart, $115 rooftop carrier, storm-proof carrier. Okay, this is a must-have. It is the Schumacher Instant Power. It's got the jump start, which you've seen me use. It's got an air compressor. My son said that isn't the best. He tried it. He wasn't real impressed with it, but it'll get me out of a jam if I need be. It's got these two plug-ins, and it's got two 12 volts, one SUB. It's got work light. Here's the inverter. Here's the jump start, turn off and on. It's really simple to use. It'll tell you how many watts you're using. And here's your battery, which mine's at 100%. Schumacher, I spent $130 on this at AutoZone. I didn't get it on Amazon. I wanted to see it, feel it. It is heavy. It's big. Takes up more space than I wanted. But it jumped my car, and that's what I was looking for, something reliable. Now, I do want to say, every time you use it, you got to recharge it. And it goes down pretty quickly. I charged my light, my fan, my phone, and jump-started the car, and it depleted the battery. And it took it 32 hours to get the battery up to 100%. You cannot, the only way you can charge this is by wall outlet. So when I get my solar, that will be nice because I can plug it into my solar and charge it again. So highly recommend for anybody that's out on the road. Now, if you don't use it, this has stayed charged for 3 months without me using it. It's a must-buy. Now, if you like these videos, you find funny, you find helpful, or you like the travel, or want to know what I'm up to, hit that thumbs up button, or the thumbs down if you're really not interested. Subscribe. Hit the little ding 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 bell. It'll notify you when I upload a new video. And smash that button. Subscribe. I need subscribers. Not for the monetization, but just to know that somebody's actually enjoying the videos. Stay fantastic.